Hyperion Munitions sent us their brand new P.T.C, and today we're taking a close-up look. Let's check it out. Today we test out Hyperion Munitions P.T.C, which stands for Precise Trigger Control. Hyperion Munitions claims that this makes your dull Mil-Spec trigger feel like a high-end drop-in trigger for your AR platform. It's not really a trigger and it's not really an accessory, it's kind of in its own group of trigger accessories. It's a combination of only just a couple of parts that replaces your trigger guard and your grip screw. By adding those couple of pieces and making only a few minor adjustments, you can tune out your pre-travel and over-travel while adding a clean, crisp break and reset. I installed it on this AR lower and a combination of other uppers to see what I thought of their claims with this thing. Installation and adjustment is actually fairly simple. Adjusting the over-travel screw limits how far the trigger travels after the break. Once that's where you want it, you kind of lock it into place with this little set screw at the bottom. The P.T.C also replaces your grip screw and has adjustments to fine-tune your pre-travel and make that trigger feel more crisp. After some adjustment, it did make this trigger feel much better with a much shorter trigger pull, crisper break, and more tactile reset. It gave me a faster, more precise shooting due to less movement of my finger and that trigger. So is it worth the money? Well, that all depends. I installed this on our range rental gun to really put it through the longevity test and to see what our customers thought, and also had a few of our employees test it out. Everyone kind of had that same basic statement. It feels pretty damn good. For coming in at only around 50 bucks, it does a great job at making a crappy Mil-Spec trigger feel much, much better. So if you want to add a better trigger without spending that great trigger money, which can sometimes come in at over 250 bucks, yeah, it's a good buy. But there are a couple little issues I have with this. One, it only works lowers with replaceable trigger guards. It won't work on those monolithic lowers with those integrated trigger guards. And two, it's not going to truly give you the feel and adjustability of a great drop-in trigger. But it is a great buy for the budget-minded person who wants a much better feel from their Mil-Spec trigger. I think the P.T.C is a cool device, it does what it claims, and it's at a great price point for what it actually does. All right, thanks for joining us on this video. If you liked this product, or if you plan on buying one, or just have questions, throw them down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and pull that trigger on that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you get notified when we drop more content. Hit us up at d5rangesmarengo.com and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. All right, thanks again, guys.